Engineering manager pop quiz. What would you do in this scenario? For context, you've got a team of 4 engineers. One is a senior eng, one is a junior eng, and the other 2 are, let's call them SE2s. Hey boss, junior eng is coming up to me like every 15 minutes with questions about our tech stack, how to debug this or that, how to design the component that he's building. I've got a lot of real dev work to do. I'm getting distracted too often. I gotta get some heads down time. Wow, senior eng has been really helpful. I can go to her anytime and she'll drop whatever she's doing to help me out. I feel like I might be getting on her nerves a bit though. As their manager, what do you say to these 2? Pause if you need to think about it. My thoughts in 3, 2, 1. Senior eng, yeah, you've got a lot of work to do, and it's your responsibility as a senior engineer to help grow the team around you. Part of this is educating junior engineers. Okay, I'm going to talk to junior eng about ways to ping you far less, but here's what I need you to do. 4 things. 1, balance it at 90-10. 90% dev, 10% help. Second, block off some calendar time to go heads down on your dev work. I'll let junior eng know to be on the lookout for those calendar blocks. Third, outside of those calendar blocks, please be available to help junior eng with whatever he needs. And then lastly, if you realize from the question he's asking that we're missing some internal onboarding or architecture docs that might prevent that question in the future, make a note of it. We'll need to get it shored up. Okay, I can do that. Hey, junior eng, I love your enthusiasm and your willingness to pop up and ask a question whenever you're unsure about how to move forward. Senior eng is a phenomenal resource to go to. You also know that she's got some big dev responsibilities, so she's going to need some time for that part of her work too. Here's what I'd like you to do. 3 things. First, you need to learn to fish yourself a bit more. Spend time trying to figure out how to do it yourself first before you run to her. Google the error messages, read some docs, and try new things to move ahead. Time box it at an hour. If you're still banging your head against it at that point, step away. Consider me a resource as well. Don't be afraid to ping me with questions. And then yeah, go to senior eng, but check her calendar first. I've asked her to block off some time to go heads down. Okay, yeah, I got it. Would you handle it differently? Drop a comment, let me know.